Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer, model BPWM S16W, is a compact top-load machine designed for small households, apartments, or RVs, boasting a 1.7 cubic foot stainless steel tub that handles up to 11 pounds of laundry per load. Key features include 8 versatile wash cycles, such as normal, heavy, and delicate, a transparent lid for monitoring progress, and an intuitive LED display for easy control. It offers hot, warm, and cold water options, auto shutoff for safety, a 24-hour delayed start, child lock protection, and a built-in lint filter to maintain efficiency. Mobility is enhanced by built-in wheels, side handles, and adjustable legs, while setup is straightforward with included hoses, a quick sink connector, and drain adapter. No permanent plumbing required. Pros shine in its portability and convenience. Users praise its quiet operation, even during spin cycles, effective cleaning for delicates and small batches, and energy efficiency when using high-efficiency detergents. At around $300, it's budget-friendly for laundromat alternatives, with simple installation taking under 30 minutes. The delayed start is a boon for busy schedules, and its compact 21.2 to 37-inch footprint fits tight spaces seamlessly. However, cons temper enthusiasm. Capacity limits it to 1 to 2 outfits or a few towels, frustrating larger loads. Drainage hoses often require manual oversight to prevent backups or spills, and leaks occur if connections aren't tightened meticulously. Durability averages 3 to 5 years under heavy use, with some reporting motor issues or control glitches sooner. Controls can feel clunky, and it's optimized for cold water, potentially underperforming on heavily soiled whites without hot settings. Overall, it's a solid entry-level pick for minimalist, but not for high-volume needs. Thanks for watching. To purchase the item, simply click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.